friends, I am Jamie. This week I have learned how to develop a mobile app for my robot. Come onto my workstation. Let's see how I made it. So first go to Google and then search MIT AppInventor. Click on it. A link called MIT AppInventor will show up. Click on it and then click Create Apps. It will ask you to create a new account to continue. As you can see, I have already created one. So next you want to do start new project. So you have to go to projects and click start new projects. You can change the name. So I am going to put it to personal assistant Joe. It will bring you to a screen. If you are doing a phone app, you can choose the phone. If you are doing a tablet app, you can choose the tablet. If you are doing a monitor app, you can do the monitor. But since I am doing a phone app, I am going to choose phone. That screen one title, we do not want that. So scroll down and then see the title, you can change it. I'm going to put it to personal assistant Joe. You can change the device you want to use. So go to theme and then click default device default. So there's another slider called Android 5 plus devices, Android material. There will be a list. I am going to choose the iPhone 13. So as you can see, the phone changed. There are two modes. One, designer mode, and second, the blocks mode. In designer mode, you can include available controls to design your mobile app. In blocks mode, you need to do your coding. You just need to drag and drop the block and it will do your coding. Okay, now let's start designing. What are my requirements? My app should have a voice recognition to send commands to my robot. It should connect to my robot using Wi-Fi. So my robot and the mobile app should be in the same Wi-Fi network. Go to layout. Select horizontal arrangement. Drag and drop to the screen. Adjust the height and width as you like. You can also change the background color. I'm going to choose custom. And then I am going to choose blue. I need a logo to my app in the left and title to the right. To do this, I will drag and drop image inside horizontal arrangement. Go to picture, click upload file to select your image. Adjust the height and width of the image. Then drag and drop label to include your title. I'm changing the text to voice control robot. Click on font mode, change the text color to white, increase the font size to 17. Now I finished one part of my design. Now let's come to the actual design. Go to Layout, drag and drop table arrangement. Change the number of rows and columns as you want. I will be changing columns to 4 and rows to 4. Change the height and width to fit your mobile screen. Then go to User Interface, drag and drop label. Change the height to 10%. I'm using this label as a dummy control to position my controls. Delete the text. Then drag and drop label below again. See how my label is positioned? Change the text to IP address. Because my mobile app is using Wi-Fi to connect to my robot's ESP8266 board, I need to get IP address to connect. You can change the properties as you like. I'm just making it bold and change the font color. Drag and drop text box and change the width as you want. Then drag and drop a button. Change the text to press to speak. I will change the background color font color. I would change the button shape to rounded. Like I did before, I will include a dummy label below. Go to Layout, drag and drop horizontal arrangement. Change the height and width and alignment. Drag and drop label to include my bottom text. Now my mobile app Now my mobile app designing is complete. I just have to do the coding. Before I start coding, I need to do a few more things. Since my app uses voice recognition, go to Media, drag and drop Speech Recognizer. Go to Connectivity, drag and drop Web, because my app is using Wi-Fi. Go to Storage, drag and drop TinyDB to share my IP address value without losing it. Change the names of the text box to text IP address. And button voice. So it will be easy to identify which control we are using to code. Now go to blocks mode. When you open the app in your mobile, we will see screen 1. I have to code what to do when the screen is loading. So in the left select screen 1, you will see the list of blocks available for screen 1 to include. I'll include when screen 1 idleize block. I will get the IP address value from the DB. Next, after the screen is loaded, I will enter the IP address and click press to speak. I have to share the IP address in my DB. To do that, I will include when text box lost focus block and share the value to IP address. Include button, click, block. Now I have to include coding on what happens when I click the button. Include button, click, block. Go to speech recognizer. Include call speech recognizer got text. Now comes the main part. I have to send voice commands to my robot. To do this, select speech recognizer, drag and drop. When speech recognizer, after getting text block, now drag and drop it block. Now drag and drop it block. If my voice command has the word hello, I will call the web put text block to send my commands as a URL value. Attached after the IP address value. So my command will be in the format http colon slash slash IP address slash hello. Now right click the if block, duplicate it, and modify the commands. As you can see, I have already done that. Now the coding is over. Save the project now. Go to projects, click save project. Now go to build. Click Android app. Once the build is complete, scan the QR code in your mobile to install. How simple is that? Now we've learned how to develop our first mobile app. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to see my future videos. Bye!